Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Matab Mirza and today I am back with an exciting video and I will show you a juice recipe that is good for your blood. So for this juice we will need beetroots, we need pomegranate, red crispy apples, lime and ginger. After washing all the produce, cut them into smaller pieces. Apple adds natural sweetness and fiber to the juice. Please make sure to remove the seeds of the apples as it contains a compound called amygdalin, which can release cyanide when broken down in the body. Beetroot boosts stamina, supports liver detox, and improves blood flow. Lime is alkalizing, refreshing, and aids in digestion. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants and they are heart friendly. And studies have shown that they are good for your heart health and arteries, and the pomegranate juice prevents your arteries from getting thickened or stiff. And after drinking the delicious juice, we went on a walk outside to a Lake Pavilion in Château Vaudreuil, which is a luxurious hotel in Château, and it is a beautiful place. It is right next to the lake. It has a beautiful garden. I went there with my mom for just mental health and to look around, as it was a beautiful sunny day outside, and we wanted to enjoy some sunlight and nature. If you ever get a chance to visit Vaudreuil, I will recommend you staying at this hotel. It is so spacious. There is a huge garden right next to the lake. You can bicycle, you can go for a run, you can just take a stroll, just take a walk, and enjoy the beautiful scenery, the nature, the statues they have, and the beautiful flowers and the old trees as you can look. It was just too beautiful to be true. There were a lot of water fountains, and it was a beautiful day as well. So we enjoyed spending time here. Usually, this place is is booked for weddings. Since there was a wedding happening, that's the reason why it's all decorated with flowers and the fountains are on. If you feel depressed or overthinking, you can definitely come to this place, as there is nobody around. You can just sit quietly, and clear your thoughts. I mean, it's definitely a place that you must visit. After spending some time here, I went back home as I was hungry, and I cooked some beef chops for lunch. And I enjoyed it with cauliflower vegetable and chapati. After taking a quick nap, I went to the backyard and we enjoyed the evening tea. And we also created a little bonfire so we can chit chat and enjoy the cold and beautiful fall that we have now in Canada. And as you can look, the pool is also getting dirty. We need to close it for winter. And that's how I spent my day. I hope you guys are liking my videos where I'm showing you the juice recipes and how I spend my days. Please, if you guys want me to make more videos like that or just stick to juicing videos, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and supporting my channel. Please do share, like, and support it with friends and family. And I do really appreciate you taking the time watching my videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.